Hello guys, how are you? I am Dr. Parvez Ahmad from BMS first year. I hope all of you are safe for in this season, Corona season. Okay, let it be. First, we want to discuss about the nine quadrant of the abdomen. What does it mean? The nine quadrant of abdomen, it is mainly important for the all physicians, doctors and the surgeons. It is the basic one. Nine quadrants is a basic for the surgeons to identify the which organs are situated in these quadrants. Okay, now we're discussing about the quadrants of the abdomen. The abdomen is anatomically divided into the two lines, the two vertical lines, two horizontal lines and also two vertical lines are looking there. There is a two horizontal line and two vertical line. These lines are intersect each other to make a abdominal nine quadrants. You looking there screen, there is the two horizontal line and the two vertical line to divide and intersect to make a nine quadrants. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 quadrants. Okay, in the horizontal line, you're looking there, the horizontal line, the upper horizontal line is called as the transpyloric line. It is the transpyloric line, and the lower horizontal line is called as the transtubercular line. It is the transpyloric line and that it is a transtubercular line. Are finished there the two horizontal line. Now discuss there having a two vertical lines to make a nine quadrants. Now naming the quadrants are the first one, that is a right hypochondric region, next epigastric region, left hypochondric region, right lumbar region, umbilical region, left lumbar region, next right iliac region, hypogastric region, next left lumbar region. These are the nine quadrants of the abdomen. Now discussing about which are the parts, which are the organs are situated in this quadrants of the abdomen. Let it be one thing is there, the hypo is there in the hypochondric region, that is one. What is mean by refers hypo? Hypo means below. Okay, next epi refers above. Next the cord means the cartilage of the rib. Okay, these all are the quadrants. Now discussing what are the organs situated in the right hypochondric region. Looking there, the liver, gallbladder and kidney, right kidney and the small intestines are the situated in the right hypochondric region. Next discussing about the second abdominal region, that is a epigastric region. The organs are situated like stomach, liver and pancreas, next transverse colon, duodenum and adrenal glands and the spleen. These are all organs are situated in the epigastric region. Now discussing about the third quadrant, that is the left hypochondric region. What are the organs situated in the left hypochondric region? That is the spleen, colon, left kidney and pancreas, fundus of the stomach. This part is there. Looking there is a this is the right hypochondric region, that is the epigastric region, that is the left hypochondric region. These are divided like there is a nine quadrants. Next one, that is the fourth one, that is the right lumbar region. What are the organs situated in the right lumbar region? The gallbladder, next liver, right colon and the right kidney. These are all organs situated in the right lumbar region. Next, the main umbilical region. What are the organs? The navel is there now, that is called as the umbilical region. The umbilical region, the organs situated as, that is umbilicus, jejunum, ileum and the duodenum. These are the parts of the small intestine. These organs are situated in the umbilical region. Next, that is the sixth one, that is the left lumbar region. What are the organs situated in there? The left lumbar region situated descending colon and left kidney. These are all organs situated in the left lumbar region. Next, the next one, that is the seventh one, that is the right iliac region. The organs are appendix and the right ovary. The ovaries are in a female. Okay. Next, the eighth one, that is the hypogastric region. The organs are urinary bladder and the female reproductive systems. All organs are present in this abdominal quadrant. Next, ninth one, that is the last quadrant, that is the left iliac region. The organs are descending colon, sigmoid colon and the left ovary. The female's organs having the ovary, two sides, right and left. Okay, this all organs are helpful for the surgeons. This is a very important one for a basic thing for the abdominal quadrants. One thing is there, that surgeons is there, they want to incisions for the duodenum part. Where it be located? It is located in the epigastric region. But where is there is a thing that is acknowledged about the 9 quadrants to got it the which parts, which organs are located in the quadrant. It is a very helpful for the surgeons and other doctors. This all are about the 9 quadrants. Video is very helpful for you peoples. Anything, any query about the BAMS, you comment me about this video, you comment it and also subscribe the video. Thank you for all.